very proud occasion of every Indian. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great pride to all of us Indians. It is a matter of great tribute to the freedom fighters who fought a hard-fought freedom from the British. Various other struggles that led to our attaining the ultimate freedom. But I must say to the event and connect on 22nd January, when we say freedom of thought, freedom of religion, freedom of speech, and the liberty that is guaranteed to us by our Constitution, there was an issue, a large issue, which affected every countryman all over the country. And ultimately, the strength of our democracy, the strength of India, as we all call it, unity in diversity, diverse that we may be, different that we may be, in terms of religion, in terms of caste, in terms of creed. But what did happen on 22nd January? Through a court battle, ultimately culminating to a court battle, where a historic judgment was given by the Supreme Court of India. As you know, the judgment of the Supreme Court is supreme in every word, in every sense. We all abide by that. This particular struggle of the people for 550 years, when they said that particular place in Ayodhya belonged to Ram, culminating in different battles in civil society, manifesting in different forms, creating bitterness, creating moments of sadness, creating moments that no Indian would perhaps like. But that is what is called a struggle. But ultimately, all this graviated to the courts, to the Supreme Court, and to the great dignity and honor of the courts in India. Because that is where ultimately justice lies. A justice was delivered, and that's how that resulted in the 26th January being Pran Pratishtha Day of Lord Ram. He got his rightful place, and it was heartening. And that is how democracy thrives and survives. That's why it is for no reason. It is for a very valid thing that India today is called a vibrant democracy. India today is called the mother of democracy. Today, you must take note that even our culture has been assimilated by others. How nice it is to see the British Prime Minister chanting some mantras, sitting in the UK, their Prime Minister. Cultural roots deep-rooted in the Indian ethos. Today, this particular occasion has been celebrated, has been toasted, not only in our Indian country, by our Indians, by our diaspora, in the entire world has celebrated this particular event. Today, countrymen look not only for this event, they expect so many things which they have a right to expect. When you have a very strong leader, when you have a performing Prime Minister, obviously the aspirations of the people take a high quantum jump. They want more and more things to be done. Same thing is happening in Goa as well, under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant. As we call it, the double engine, the same government in the state and the same government at the center, with the Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister, pushing through development, pushing through inclusive growth, pushing through schemes for the youth. Just yesterday, he interacted with the youth of the country. We must realize the youth comprises more than 35% of the population of India. It is a great challenge to channelize your energy to the betterment of society, to doing something good for the state. That is the challenge of every government, whether in the state or the center.